Are you facing some SEO errors in your site but don't know what are these SEO errors that stopping you to get high rankings on the Googles and the other search engines? But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to review a site audit tool that's name is SiteGuru, and it's currently on the Appsumo lifetime deal. You can check out. It's just the one-time payment of $49. So it's a SEO specialist tool here, and believe me, this tool is the revolutionary because there are still other SEO audit tools, but they are not provide that much of deep data that is actually affecting your site. Plus here on this tool you will also get the suggestions how you can improve those errors to get back your higher rankings. So you can see it's currently one-time purchase of $49, in which you can only add one website up to the 500 pages you can audit, plus unlimited users or clients or the colleagues you can invite to get access of this tool. You can export all reports in the CSV format, plus there are also the Word format available for the reporting. Plus see, so stacking info, each additional code one more site, and the 500 pages maximum 10 codes means you can also stack this lifetime deal score up to the 10 times here. In the simple words, if you have bought one code, then buy again one other code and it will add the one side extra plus extra 500 pages credits. See, so this is the all about its lifetime deal and the platforms. So if you want to know its lifetime deal and all the things that is this tool is offering here, you can check out its link in the description. So now let's go to the its tools demo and the deep information. So you can see this is the tool here. I already have added my website. You can see this is the SiteGuru.net, and until now it is fully audit my site. For deep information, I have also connected my Google Analytics and the Google Search Console so that it can provide me more deep information, and based on that audit it has some SEO tutorial list that is offering and suggesting me to improve. So they are the improved pages title. So it is offering me more 34 pages on my website for the post that is not optimized for the better page title. So these are all the pages that I need to correct or need to improve to make it more good for the readers and for the search engines. You can see this is the length. Its length must be around, let me check out. Okay, you can see its length must be around this 70 or 80 words. Okay, but I have added these titles in around more than 100. See, so that thing I need to improve here. Plus I can also check out the sub preview on the same tool here. You can see this is the sub preview. So this is the things you needed to do. Now let me go to the meta description. In the meta description, all the pages you can see it's the red, means it is must needed to improve, and in these pages the meta description is missing. You can see 6 pages I need to add the meta description here, and the other pages on the yellow I need to optimize to make it more better. Okay, so this one has the 152. Okay, so it also shows you how much the meta description you need. If you check out, it should be between 120 and the 170, but this one has this 66. See, so this thing I need to improve. In the headings it will show me all the pages that have the errors in the headings. You can see these 3 pages I need to add h1 count, means h1 headings. So that's easily do that. Just click on here and you can see if this page does not have h1, it's recommended to have h1 heading on every page. So these things it will tell you. In images it will also show me all the pages I need to add all text. Then this is the OG text, and here you can see these are all the pages I need to add OG text, open graph text that are missing. And if you don't know, open graph tags are really important if you are sharing your post or the information on the social media. Okay, so this is all about the post and pages, but there are still the many things you need to understand, like this is pages, fix your error pages. There's also the some pages that have way more the need to optimize or correct, then optimize your sitemap. You can see 3 pages are not available in the sitemap, so I have to also add them. Improve meta description, add all text, avoid internal redirects. Okay, so these are all the things and tasks it is offering me to correct here. Plus let me show you more things. You can see, you can also check out the site structure in preview. Let me show you. So this is a preview. It is show you how your site's looking. This is your home page. In the home page, in the which articles or pages links added in the home page. See, so this is the site structure, and if you want to get a good overview of your site structure, then I think this tool is doing a great work. Then this is the timeline. It will show you basically all the timelines when you post or the last time you have posted. See, this is the timeline here. This is the pages, and it will show you all the pages that have some needs to improve. You can see it has the score of 87%, 62%, and in which pages that is something like the red area. You need to improve or must need to improve these things or remove these red errors. That's way you can always going to optimize for the higher ranking. See, then we have the technicals. Okay, enable page speed to view. Let's enable this thing, turn on page speed, and now check now. Okay, now it will show me all the technical issues based on the page speed. And if you don't know, page speed is now a ranking factor, so page speed is not checked for any pages. So as for now, I think it will take some time. Then this is the indexing errors. It will show here. Okay, and like I said, if you have some sitemap errors, it will also going to show here. You can see 3 pages are missing from my sitemap, these pages. So I'm going to add them in the sitemap and remove these error. Then we have insights, and insights, it will show you all the things more like the search performance and the sessions. So it is basically getting from the my Google Analytics account. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this is basically from the my search consoles, and I have integrated that, so that's why it is showing me all the deep data that no other SEO audit tool can show me. See, all the Google clicks, information, page view, everything is showing me here with all the SEO errors that I can solve. See, plus it is also showing me the keywords that is ranking on which position and getting how much the clicks, low hanging fruits. So this is also the some keywords it is offering me that I can start writing the article and rank on the higher performance. So this is all about this tool, and it is definitely worth checking out. And once you play with this tools all feature, it will definitely help you to get better rankings once you remove all the SEO errors it is recommending and suggesting you.